Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano flips Ether, XRP in transaction volume, as on-chain activity surges, where ADA price is headed. The Cardano network is busier than ever. A flurry of activity on Cardano has helped to push its transaction volume in the last 24 hours above that of Ethereum and XRP. Cardano surpasses Ethereum and XRP in usability, while the Cardano blockchain processed a record $17.04 billion last week. Ethereum registered a total transaction volume of $5.25 billion and XRP sat at $700 million, according to data provided by Messari. Cardano is still ahead of Ethereum and XRP in terms of the 24-hour adjusted transaction volume, hitting $12.75 billion on the day, while XRP and Ethereum register $613 million and $3.56 billion respectively. This is not the first time Cardano has surpassed Ethereum in daily transaction volume. Earlier this month, Cardano outpaced both Bitcoin and Ethereum for most transaction activity. Notably, this was the first time Cardano exceeded the benchmark crypto's adjusted transaction volume. Ethereum, which is the perceived smart contracts leader, has seen a lot of success as developers scramble to the network. This has, however, led to network congestion, which has driven gas fees higher. That sent users to speedy proof-of-stake, POS, rival blockchains like Cardano, where transaction fees are cheaper. Where is ADA's price headed? Cardano's development in recent months has been commendable and can be seen in the growth of its market capitalization. In addition, the Cardano blockchain has expanded by approximately 13 GB since the beginning of the year, implying a lot of chain activity. While all these elements depict a vibrant Cardano blockchain, ADA's price at publication time was $0.947046 and was up only 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Despite the recent attempt to stage a recovery, the token is still approximately 69.3% away from its all-time of $3.09 set back in September 2021. The seventh biggest coin by market cap is also down 16% over the last month. Bitcoin, thanks to its dominance within the market, could aid altcoins' revival in the near future if it's able to mount a sustainable rally. But in the meantime, the majority of cryptocurrencies appear to be struggling to shrug off weeks of lackluster performance. Meanwhile, a fintech panel at Finders expects ADA to be valued at over $2.79 by the end of the year. The next news: Russia banks raise key rates by 20% in desperate measure to save ruble. Russian banks have raised key rates to 20% in a bid to save the ruble as major countries cut off support to Moscow amid its invasion of Ukraine. The Russian central bank raised its key interest rate to 20% from 9.5% on Monday in an emergency move. Authorities told export-focused companies to sell foreign currency as the ruble tumbled to record lows. The ruble opened 40% lower against US dollars on Monday. Russia's state-owned Sberbank is failing or likely to fail, the European Central Bank said in a prepared statement. Russia has also ordered companies to sell 80% of their forex suppressed at its current levels, at least for now. There are around $2 million in asks orders at 89 cents, as seen below. If bulls manage to break above this resistance, the $1 mark stands as the next major resistance, with fewer asks orders stacked at those levels. Only $1 million in asks orders sit at that price point. On the downside, bulls are facing more troubles as liquidity around 85 cents seems to be getting thinner, which could suggest further losses in the short term. As Cardano trend lower into its current levels, bid orders went from over $1.5 million to around $900,000. Cardano whales come into the picture, who's buying ADA at current levels. If these levels fail, $0. ADA stands as the next major support to prevent a deeper plunge into previous lows. However, further data shows that retail investors are buying the dip, and lower timeframes with larger investors have been selling. As seen below, investors with asks orders of around $100,000, purple line below, have been selling into current PA, while smaller investors with orders of around $100, yellow line below, have been buying. Bulls have seen support from investors with around $1,000, green line below, in bid orders, but nothing significant for lower timeframes. Cardano's Hoskinson unlikely to donate crypto to Ukraine for this reason. A warning to the people. Hoskinson acknowledged that others like Polkadot founder Gavin Wood had donated to Ukraine, but made it clear that he was not about to drop a few million in ADA anytime soon. In particular, Hoskinson pointed out that he wasn't sure whether the donations would only be used for citizen welfare or controlled by a puppet regime in the future. He also mentioned it was easier to teach a man to fish than to give him fish. Hoskinson warned, given the nature of cryptocurrencies, it's entirely possible that if the Ukrainian government is invaded, for the wallets that hold those funds in Kiev to just basically disappear, and people will assert that the keys have been lost, or the people who knew them are dead, and in reality they actually were stolen. Hoskinson instead suggested that the Cardano community could donate to help Ukrainian refugees in other countries. And then there were 9 all said and done. Hoskinson's comments do raise the question of whether or not an ADA donation would be useful to Ukraine. At press time, Cardano's ADA was, and now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025, or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of $33,620,000